2025. Lalten Lotus contest for election 2025 for chief minister. Lotus is symbol of
Bheadero.
Lotus is symbol of Nityanand Rai sir, Home Minister of Government of India, State Home Minister of Government of India, and Lalten is symbol of Leader of Opposition Tejasvi sir. Both are Jatwas. Jatwas in majority. As it is said that it was the government of fools and government of majority. So Jatwas are in majorities. So Jatwas, I always see when motor driving cars goes, they always write Jatwas, L. L means learning. So they are learning how to govern. Can. Here is Lalten and Lotus. But I am an independent candidate. Anup Jadhav is the deputy CM of independent. Pappu Jadhav is also independent from Purnia. So here is a portion of independent. But I am drawing your attention here. Soumya, student of Patna PM School, Kendriya Vidyalaya, fond of Lotus.
She is your daughter.
Fond of Lotus. So and now Patna Allen, IIT, escaping the student, fond of Lotus. So Lotus. I had searching with sketches around Lotus Temple around Nehru Place, and was a very keen reader of Ashoka inscriptions. And there is Ashoka inscription said very close to Lotus Temple. And in that researching time, I had caught the eyes of my student, British of Iran. And they had also caught my eyes, built students. So, to research, I had, with political fraud, flown to Iran without visa. Lotus Temple, Sadhar Pundit Sutra, great text, is a Mahayana text, written in prose and verse. Prose is Sanskrit and verse is Sanskrit. And Sadhar Pundit Sutra is also translated to Chinese and Japanese, and is the great word, and every Tendai school and Chinese school, they read Sadhar Pundit. Is very important text of Sadhar Pundit. As in India also said, Lotus Temple is a symbol of Indo-Iran bond. Because this Lotus Sutras or Lotus Temple, Lotus Sutra was written, or Sadhar Pundit was written in Sanskrit in Yang and Mahayana. And it is a Mahayana text. So, Lotus is a bond between India and Iran. And Professor K.T. Rao. And I had flown to see the bond between India and Iran. And my student was the at home and was at the airport, Murtaza. I offered this Lotus to my Murtaza, who is not in Iran. Tehran. As Tehran, Iran and India has a close bond between Lotus, Sadhar Pundit Sutra, Mahayana Sutras, and as recently Iran was already offering to be mediator between India and Pakistan. But it is what I am not expert of diplomats and day-to-day diplomacy, but they offered mediator to America, third party. There, were it is a diplomatic matter. I am not expert of that. But if I were as a chosen expert of Buddhist, like Professor expert with expert, and reading expert, this Lotus, I am also from Patna. And this lotus symbol is symbol of Baha'i temple and Parsis. As so, I am from Patna and I'm a very high family. And this Baha'i Bhavan in Patna was bought by my family.
Oh.
And that is there. So when I had first come to there, my friend had taken me to there, and I had so this is the lotus temple. So lotus, not the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is a symbol of clarity of a king, but lotus is a spiritual symbol, a spiritual link between India and Iran. And I have many friends, really Murtaza, Amne, Samavati, they are all great born in ancient times. So Iran, as I am also presenting here, and so I wish everyone prosecuted out. Memorial lecture of Sitaram, Holy Memorial lecture Punjab, Baku. That, so this, I think government should think about these scholars to make great bond and great political bond and diplomatic bond and cultural bond and historical bond between India and Iran. That is my message to the government of India. Lotus, go ahead.